Hello, good morning, everyone, friends, families, and strangers, and everybody's watching our video. Thank you for coming back and watching our video. Happy New Year to everyone. Hoping that 2025 will be good for us and everyone. And I hope you have a good New Year.
Where are we going?
We're going out for a date. Today, Saturday. First date on the new year.
I'm hungry, Lala.
Yeah, we're going out to eat for lunch, and then we're gonna enjoy our day because we're going back to work again.
Actually, you're back to work already.
Yeah, hustle hard, hustle hard. I hope 2025 will be fruitful, and Lord bless our plans and our families and everyone, Lord, this coming 2025. See you.
Matane?
So we're crossing El Camino and we're here at Hillsdale Shopping Center. This is one of the best shopping center here in San Mateo.
The only one, I think.
The only one, I don't know.
But it's, yeah, nice.
It's a nice place to unwind. Laag-laag.
May tadi dagon to. Kanang pinstripes on the left kay bowling. Yeah, diri sinihan na fancy kanang
Like,
pwede ka mag-order of
Okay,
food.
you can dine in.
Pwede ka mag-dine.
Yeah,
But we haven't tried.
Yep.
Ano siya tawagan na? Cinema.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice place and it's like 2 miles from home maybe.
And then you can access this mall with a Caltrain on.
Oh, Caltrain.
Caltrain. Yeah.
Muna siya Flores. That's a kuan luxury cinema di ang tawag. Ang unsa na? Okay, ang among ganang parking kaya dos babaw. Near the food court.
Near the food court, it's where the food is. Food court nga.
Stop po na siya. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, mupod niya akong ganang parking kay kanang daghag spot. Tapos dagko parking. Parking space.
It's a nice day, huh?
Yes. Hello, Mr. Driver.
Hi.
Mo ato ang mall ay.
Now we can look for a parking.
There ay.
No, I don't want that. I
Why?
want the pizza ka ng parking dito. There about on the right side.
Pwede. Actually, naaman dito food court po. So,
Yeah.
ilang food court kay Marag kanang airport. Maparihan akong feel sa San Francisco na airport because
I love
it's
Rivian. My
muna imong car, Jerry's car.
Jerry's car, dream car.
Anya, kung ani siya.
Plug in sa mga hybrid
Charging station.
and electric cars. And ang atop ani kay kuan
Solar.
May kanindot po diha.
Oops.
I did it
Wrong
again.
Wrong way na ito lalap.
So we can park here.
Okay. I'm so hungry.
Here.
Layo mo kay Macy's dili man.
That's okay. Like lag date lakaw holding hands.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Okay, we're here.
Hello.
So very cold.
Nagpainit mi kay hot. Cold. Namin ta Hillsdale Mall. And this is the small park outside the Hillsdale Mall where you can enjoy, you can sit and have coffee and just enjoy the sun, relaxing. If you get cold, you can stay here, sit down. There's a fireplace here, it warms you up. Hi, bossing. You ready to get in? Okay, let's go. It's a big food court.
No string beans,
Manilang food.
You want this? Okay. And then teriyaki chicken. That's it. Yay, new car.
That's where we came from. The oncoming traffic. That's a famous restaurant too, the American Grill, Paul Martin's. Their food is really good too. That's the Lululemon, Lala. Lululemon. And there's a Wagyu Shabu house there, Mikaya. We tried it too, and their food is good too. Yeah. In Panda, they have these fortune cookies. So let's see what's in the fortune cookies.
Your fortune of the day is
Yes.
your winning personality is your greatest asset.
Oh my God. Maulaw mabud ka. And sa akong lalab.
I can open it.
It's my lalab's turn. Bossing. Pagkita.
Your sense of humor will get you through difficult times.
Okay, that's a good one too. Inside the Hillsdale Mall shopping center. Hi, bossing. Let's go to Macy's. Hindi pa ilahang mall dire. Look at those palm trees. That's a real one. So she bossing, she wanna go into the Bath and Body Works. There's a sale now, 75% sale. Bossing! So she wanna buy something there. Bossing! Oh, she cannot hear me. Okay, let's just wait here. So people are going out today. It's a Saturday. I think she's done shopping sa Bath and Body Works. Antay-antay lang mag-shopping yung wife natin. That's okay, let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Set up nila sa Pasko. Oh my God, that's beautiful. And I think there's no more Santa picture. Santa left already.
Of course, si Santa of the clock.
So now we're going into Macy's. Let's go, Lala. So we're inside the Macy's already.
We need to go down. We need to go down.
Need to go down?
Naman dito, di ba? Sa abos. Oh ka?
I think so. Parang nasa SM lang. Escalator. There. Now yata there's jewelry and watches section yata. Oh, Ray-Bans. Lala, he has that already. The one that I bought last time. Yeah, okay. Return. This is what she got at Bath and Body Works. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And she paid like $44.33. This one, Japanese cherry blossom. And this vampire blood. What? And crystal blue coast. Sparkling watermelon. Lemon. Lavender. Eucalyptus mint. So these are the stores that make my wife happy. So I try to bring her here, give her time to shop and wait. Husband duty. We'll just wait, and while bossing is shopping for her shoes. Patience is the virtue to make your wife happy. So let her shop. Shout out sa husband na nag-wait sa ilahang wife while shopping, giving her time to shop. Shout out, bro. I used to wear this kind of shoes in my college days. Chuck Taylor. It's a cool shoes. Now they're selling it from $75 to $55. Chuck Taylor, I love them. For buying this for snacks. May Paris or Starbucks. Hi mga kayo. We're done shopping in the mall, Hillsdale Mall. And then we're done returning the items to Macy's also. And then
Done with food.
Done with lunch. And we bought a shoes for myself and for the favorite nephew. And shades for the favorite nephew.
Chidang!
This is for the favorite nephew, It's an Air Force One. And one for myself. I got a Michael Jordan.
A Jumpman.
Michael Jordan shoes. They're on sale also. So I got one for myself. See, it's $160 and now they're on $130. So I bought one for myself. Thank you, bossing.
Thank you to yourself. It's off your paycheck.
And then she ended up buying two for the favorite nephew. Shout out again. It's an Oakley shades. I try it on. Oh, looks cool.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Hulma daw tabi.
Yeah, try it on.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice. Yeah, right. Okay.
Mhm.
So, mga kayo, I hope you have a good day because we're having a good day.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator, make